Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some decorating. I do have this tall pencil tree that I have in my living room. I have another tree in my dining room, and I have another pencil tree in the morning room. So today I started already styling this tree, and I'm gonna finish it up and finish up the second one and work on the bigger tree. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, what I did, I wanted to add some extra touches of red throughout the house, and I did that with this tree. And these are those ornaments that I bought from Ross. I really love them. At the bottom of the tree, I added those boxes that I got from Ross. I added a couple of those, and over here I added those trees that I got from Ross as well, the cone trees. I added them in this corner. I am going to continue to add a little bit more ornaments on here and also mimic the tree in the morning room to this tree. At the top, I added those picks, the picks that I got from Ross. I added some in red and the champagne color over here as well. So really love how this is looking, and I'm going to do it to the other tree, and we're going to style it together. I also added these candle holders that I got from Ross. I added these to my coffee table, and I did put some tea lights in there. So I got a few tea lights, the nutcrackers over here, and I added some of the red ornaments to this bowl. These are some ornaments, these amber looking ones that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I wanted to have that touch of red as well, so I added that there, and I really like how it looks. So this is the deer head that I got from our house, and I really love it. And these are the candles that I got from Amazon that I added to it. Over here I added the two smaller deer heads that I got from Ross, and these are the ones that I picked up from Ross, and I added the candlesticks, and I just put them right here. I might add some stems, but I might just leave it like this because I like how it looks like that without the stems. So y'all, this is the tree that I'm gonna style today. I'm just gonna add a few of the red ornaments. I'm gonna make it look just like the tree in the family room, but I'm gonna add some picks to the top, and I'm gonna add some red ornaments. So that's what we're gonna do right now. These are the picks that I picked up at Ross a while ago. I had it in my haul. I'm gonna add a few to the top. I'm gonna put the red ones. I'm gonna put a red one on each side and then fill it in with maybe the champagne color one. Just a little bit challenging, but did get it in there. I like that better, and then I'm going to put the two pearl ones on the side. Alright, I think that's pretty. So y'all, I'm going to go ahead and start adding these red. So I'm going to start adding the red ornaments. wanted to have a really simple look, and I really love how the red is looking on here. So y'all, that's how it's looking. I like how it looks. It's not too much. I do have some more smaller red ornaments that I'm gonna put on here. Y'all, like the other tree, I'm gonna add a few boxes. And I have these boxes, if you remember, I did it in my haul. These trees, just to make it festive over here. So y'all, I'm gonna get my curtains changed on Thursday, so I'm gonna wait before I add the garland. But for now, I'm just gonna add these two trees on either side of the fireplace. But once the curtains, the panels get removed, this side is not gonna be here. So this side of the panel is gonna be more room over here, so I can put the garland. I'm just gonna place these two right here on each side until we change the curtains.